Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create Meta Conversion API. And for that, you need to log into your Facebook Ads Manager. And then from this hamburger icon, select business settings. Once you select business settings, on the left hand side, you need to scroll it down and select this option called data sources. Inside these data sources, you need to select data set. And if you don't see anything like this over there, that means you haven't created your data set. So follow my video. I'll drop a link over here to create your own data set. Facebook is no more using Pixel, so they are using dataset. So create your dataset first before you move forward in this video. So if you already have the dataset, now we'll start creating the conversion API. For that, click on Open Events Manager. Once you click on Open Events Manager, you will see this screen. Inside this screen, you will see this option called Settings. Click here. Scroll down till you see this option called Generate Access Token. Okay. By any chance, if you're not able to see this option, what you need to do is you need to go to your business info. Inside the business settings, this option, you need to check this option called business info. Once you click on the business info, you will see all the information related about your business portfolio. Then scroll it down, and inside the my info section, you need to make sure that you have added a valid email ID over here. If you don't see any valid email ID, you will not be able to create conversion API. For that, click edit, add your email ID. It will send you a verification link. Verify your email ID and hit refresh for this page, and it will show you a verified email ID over here. And inside this events manager, once you verify your email ID, refresh this page and then scroll it down, and you will see this option called generate access token. Okay. Now click on this generate access token, select the dataset name that you have created, and click generate access token. Okay. Now Facebook will provide you a access token for your conversion API. Copy this and keep it safe somewhere, because you will not be able to see this again once you close this tab and you need to create another token. Best way is to save this somewhere and share with your developers so that they can integrate with your website or funnel. Now someone might ask one question over here, that we already have Pixel, then why we need a conversion API? The Facebook Pixel works through a browser, and through a browser we can block the tracking codes. So if you are using Safari browser, through Safari browser you can block the tracking code. So if the user if the customer who is using our website or funnel, they block our tracking code or block our pixel, then we'll not be able to log event back to the Facebook. And this way we may not able to see required data about our custom conversions on the Facebook side, and the campaign will not be optimized. So to overcome this problem, Meta has come up with the API. So with the API, all the custom conversion events, they are logged through a server and not through a browser. And this way we can track all the custom conversion events on our website, funnel to Meta Ads Manager. And this way we can get all the data which is required for our ad campaign. And that's the reason we are using Pixel and API. And one more question someone asked, whether we should use both the Pixel and conversion API. So answer is yes, you can use Pixel and conversion API at the same time. So watch this video and try to create your conversion API. And if you need any help to create your conversion API, then I'll drop my contact detail. You can contact with me. I'll be happy to create your Pixel, your Meta conversion API, and also I'll help you to set up this Pixel and conversion API with your website or funnel. So just check my contact details in the description box and reach out to me. And if you're new to Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and you're trying to set up your Meta Ads Manager account, and you need to know all the step-by-step settings of the Meta Business Ads Manager, so check my channel and find this playlist called Meta Ads Manager Setup Tutorial. Here I have created all the videos related to Meta Business Ads Manager setup, and by following this individual video you will be able to complete all the settings inside the Meta Ads Manager. Okay, if you know someone who is trying to set up their Meta Ads Manager, then you can share this playlist video with them. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave your comment about the video. Feel free to drop a comment and I'll definitely have a look into it. So that's it for all. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.